Hello friends, the question is let m and m be respectively the minimum and the maximum values, then the order pair of m comma m is equals to. So basically we have been given this matrix. If we'll find the determinant, then what will be the maximum and the minimum value of m comma m. The options have been given here. One would be the correct answer, and then we'll be proceeding to the solution part. So first of all, in this question we'll be finding the determinant of the matrix. And how we'll be finding? By applying the row operations, like similar way to make zeros, as many as we can. So after applying these, we'll be getting this. So now with the help of this matrix, we'll be opening up this matrix and then we'll be getting this. If we'll open up, we'll be getting this. So now by this we'll be finding the minimum and the maximum value. So basically this is the range of sine 2x, that is -1 less than equals to sine 2x is less than equals to 1. So by applying this, we'll be getting the minimum value, that is sine 2x is equals to 1. We'll be putting that 1 into this, so we'll be getting -3, and similarly we'll be finding out the maximum value. So our answer is -3 comma -1. That is basically option number 1.